Blma 53T CNC press brake with 4+1 axis. Machine body using a thin steel plate with high strength and tempered treatment. DA53T controller. Schneider Electrics. DSP laser. Automatic crowning table. High precision punch and die. CNC Blma 53T with RD color graphics. DSP laser protects the press brake operator from the danger of crushing that can take place accidentally between the moving part of the machine and the fixed one. High precision back gauge. R-axis automatic back gauge, X-axis forward and backward, driven by servo motor, R-axis upward and downward, driven by servo motor, double linear guides and ball screw with high accuracy, dust-proof cover included, strong fingers moving left and right. Siemens motor. Figure grating ruler. Strong fingers with micro adjustment. Back gauge with dust-proof cover. Laser safety protection. Let's check the bending effect together.